You're a warrior, Hezzy. Hezzy, you having fun?
That's where we're going, so we gotta steer a little bit more to the left.
As a big brother, it's my duty to prank my younger sister.
Are you joking?
What?
We have to go. This is the story of a sailboat, a dream, and the commitment to do your best and see where it leads. Today we are sailing the Caribbean. One day we will cross the ocean and sail Checkmate home to Greece. Subscribe and join us while we travel by sailboat and learn by experience. Facing fear, finding adventure, and falling in love.
BOAB, baby, we're bum.
Welcome to Bums on a Boat. We are in St. Thomas. It's a very big day today. At the moment, we're walking from where our boat is anchored to the airport to meet my sister, Brianna, and her son. His name is Hezekiah. We call him Hezzy. So that's my nephew, and he's a 3-year-old.
And neither one of them has ever been on the boat, seen the boat before, and they'll be staying with us for a few days. Now it's landing, but it looks like a really small plane. It must be practicing.
Brianna's plane left at 10 p.m. last night, and it's now 12:30. So she's been flying all through the night with her 3-year-old, and they have not gotten any sleep. I think they're gonna be a little tired.
What did you say?
I need to know the name of the book. And still are tired.
We had a little minor miscommunication, and Brianna thought she was going to be here for 10 days, so she prepared well, got plenty of luggage with her. We'll find a spot some way, somehow on the tiny boat. Oh, that's like your best bet.
Hezekiah, what do you think of the boat so far?
I love it.
Did you find anything cool yet? You're a climber, huh?
Look at, he's loving this. Thanks. No problem.
Cheese. Hezekiah, our 3-year-old nephew of mine, and my lovely sister Brianna. Gotta get a little closer so you can see how pretty she is. Do you want to talk to you two? Brianna's actually quite a personality herself. She is of the younger generation, so she's all about TikTok. And I kind of dabbled with TikTok, but I think I'm too old for TikTok.
Watch, I'm gonna get you a whole bunch of new subscribers with
Really?
the TikTok,
With TikTok?
thing. Yeah.
You're 22 now?
23.
Are you 23?
Yeah.
Oh man, I actually filled out a form today, and I filled it out. I put 33, and Michael reminded me that I'm 34. So I even forget my own age. It's starting to go pretty quick.
I
right.
forget his age sometimes.
Hezzy,
Yeah.
how old are you, buddy?
I'm
I3. Checkmate is feeling smaller than ever before. trying to figure out where to put all this stuff.
I thought I was packing for 10 days.
Thanks for coming,
I
Bree.
still could stay for 10 days.
Well, we already bought the plane ticket, and I'm not so sure we can handle 10 days.
Shoot, I'll just stay.
Hezzy's gonna be more of a handful than Lolita. And right now, Lolita and Hezzy are kind of having a showdown. Lola's not really a fan right now. Lola, say hi to Hez.
Say hi, Hez. You gotta let her smell you.
Say hi.
Let her smell you. Put your hand out. Come here, let me see your hand.
Cute.
Oh, is she? Oh, they're starting to get along. What do you see out here? What are you seeing, Hezekiah?
I talking.
There's an ocean. Why is Lola on a leash at the beach, Michael?
Because the U.S. Virgin Islands are all weird about dogs on beaches. So this is one of the few beaches that she can actually go on, but she has to be on a leash, which kind of defeats the purpose, but we're here.
How's the food here on Checkmate so far? Be honest.
As Gordon Ramsay would say. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's good.
What does Gordon Ramsay say?
I don't even know.
Oh no. See a turtle?
Now he's diving. He took a couple breaths.
He bite you?
Did you see it?
All right, everybody. You think we're ready?
It's about that time, but first mate fell asleep already.
Oh,
wow.
I thought he was excited to drive the boat. We're gonna move the boat over to Charlotte Amalie, which is right across from Crown Bay Marina, mainly so we can re-provision. We need water, fuel. Also, we want to take Brianna and Hezekiah to Honeymoon Beach.
Our litter helps so you don't run into a mountain or run into another boat.
Is Hezzy trying to take her hands off the wheel?
Yeah. That's where we're going. So we got to steer a little bit more to the left. Got it? Like this. Good job. It's so calm.
So calm. This might be the calmest day we've seen since we've been here in St. Thomas.
Whoa.
Woo, and it's making it hot. But I mean, there's not a ripple. Hey, give me that. Give me that, mister. Mister, give me that. Look, Ma, no hands. There you go, hold it there. No, you have to keep your hands on the wheel, Hez. People look out for boats. Now we're just gonna try to go around that yellow buoy over there. So we just gotta go straight a little bit longer. Keep it on that heading. You're doing great. A little more. Okay, let's see where that goes. Go back a little. Hold that. This kid's a natural.
Well, even though we're not sailing, this is still pretty amazing. Just how freaking calm it is out here. I love it. And it's so cool to be able to take Hezzy and Brianna out on the boat for their very first time. Oh, I'm so happy that we got our sewing project finished up in time because we're all hanging out in the cockpit and it's really comfortable. Whew.
Go a little more to port. Good job. Right there. All right, we're going through some seagrass right now. We're gonna have to make sure that we don't clog up the water cooler.
Like a lot of people that travel and stuff like that, they'll put their experience and they'll be like, oh, da-da-da-da-da-da, check. Like, it's like, checkmate, like, my brother lives on a boat, check. And then it's going to show a bunch of clips of what we did.
Oh, and eventually you say mate. Right? Or no?
No.
Oh, you just say check a lot?
Yeah, I
See,
don't know.
I'm too old for the
it's a
TikTok
trend.
thing, man.
It's a trend. It's like, people will be like,
That's for you kids.
I live in a tiny house, check, and it's like a really cool tiny house. You know what I mean? Or they'll be like, it's another one. There's just like things that you do. Like if people live on the boat, people travel. If people, you know, have a huge mansion, have a movie theater in it, they'll be like, I have a movie theater in my house, check. Like, you know.
All right.
And
Well,
they'll just, yeah,
I'll try to
it'll be cool.
I'll try to be hip and use that check.
It's a
Is
trend.
that right?
It's a trend. It's just what people say.
Did
So
I
I thought.
I just trend it?
Yeah, so I thought maybe that would make the video go viral, right? When people hear that's the first thing they hear when the video comes up, you know?
All right.
My brother lives on a boat, so let's sit and watch it. Watch the whole 60 seconds, and then go to your YouTube after.
All right. Check.
What do you think, Hez?
Is it easy to drive a boat, Hez?
That's pretty easy, right? Right? That's a word you borrowed out of your vocabulary. Alright, we're in between shallow spots right now.
We're looking good, right in the middle.
We're right in the middle.
How old are you?
4.
Say I'm 3.
I see.
What's your name?
I had guy.
Hi, hey, Kai.
Oh, Lola, don't worry, you're a cutie too down there. Stay there.
Alright, don't get everybody all
Alright,
excited
so-
now.
What was that?
Don't get everybody all excited now.
All right, we gotta just stay calm and relax.
I gotta pat myself on the back for that one. That was about the smoothest we've ever pulled up to any mooring.
Yeah, well done, babe. What, do I got a hole back there?
There's a couple.
Really?
I
Oh, some fishies.
Ooh, lots of them. Cool.
Bree, there's a bunch of fishies. There's this nice little private beach really close to the boat, and we don't have to put Lola on a leash here. So that's really awesome. So she can go crazy like she loves. And Hezzy is pulling her anchor out. Look at him. What are you doing, Lola? Whose stick is that? Get it, Hez. Go on, get the stick.
No.
She'll.
Come on, come on.
All right, I'll get it for you. Stay. Stay. Sit, Lola. Stay.
Still taking my hair out.
Go a little way. So Bree wanted to drive the dinghy. I figured she can handle it.
Only one DUI. I got this.
Shh. What's up, everybody? Oh, Lola's a mess. Oh. Well. Whoop, other way. Now kill it. Kill it all the way. Put it in the middle. Put it in the middle.
What do I do?
Put it in the middle. We're in gear. Oh, there you go. You're good.
Oh,
And then hold that.
sorry.
Not bad. That was her first time ever driving a
That's
dinghy.
awesome.
Do you want to go night-night?
What's wrong, Betty?
Do you want to go
Hezzy?
night-night?
No.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Got you throwing a tantrum, didn't I, for no reason? They're a bit jet lagged, you know, this is their 3rd day, and they're a 3-hour time difference, so they're sleeping. It's already a little after 10, so I'm gonna wake them up. We have a WhatsApp group called The Rendezvous, and it's for all of our patrons, and we just get in there and have a blast and have fun. So, the real David, this is for you. You said, as a big brother, it's my duty to prank my younger sister while she's here, and we figured out a way to prank her and wake her up. Are you kidding me? What?
Yeah, I just looked it up.
Oh my God. Brianna, we got an hour to get to the airport. We have to go to the airport.
What?
Yeah,
Why?
Brianna, Michael totally messed it up.
What?
We have an hour.
Till I leave?
We have to get to the airport. Your flight leaves in an hour.
What?
Yeah, it's already 10 o'clock. And Michael missed it by a day.
Are you joking?
What?
We have to. Don't play with me.
No, we need to go. Come on, Hesh, we gotta pack up. Oh,
We aren't gonna make it in an hour.
we'll make it.
It's
go
close.
to check in and go through the
We'll make
check-in.
it.
We'll make it. It's really close.
It's a small
we
airport.
have
We'll
to.
make it.
We just have to pack up and head out now.
What?
It's okay. I'm sorry, Michael. She's got too many emails or something. I don't know how she missed it. First it was the 16th, then it's the 15th.
And it's the 14th.
What?
I'm sorry, Bree. At least we got to move the boat yesterday, and you got a good tan
Really?
or a burn or something.
Really?
Yeah, you got a lot of
Yeah,
color.
we have till 11:30. That's when your plane leaves, so we need to get there by 11.
Oh my god. Okay.
We'll make it. Come on, Hez. We just need to get Hez dressed first. We'll get him some food to go. Maybe a banana or
Here.
something. Alright, here. Alright, Hez, you can eat a banana on the road. Are you hungry, Bree?
Put this on too.
We're gonna have to maybe stop and get you a breakfast sandwich.
Yeah, there's a good
Plane ticket
breakfast
for
sandwich place.
2 days.
Michael bought it.
For 2 days.
I don't know what happened.
Don't. What? This was our discussion. Don't put this on me. We talked about it.
Yeah, well, 2-day ticket.
I
that's-
thought it was 10 days.
Well, I thought it was at least 5 days. I'm sorry. Alright, Hez, we gotta get ready. We gotta go. Oh, I'm gonna miss you guys. I'm just joking.
I knew you were joking. I'm like, there's no way.
But we have to wake up now because we're gonna have an epic day today. We're gonna start with jet skis, and we have another couple things we really want to do. So.
Adam, you're stressed out for no reason.
Are you a warrior? Do you have your warrior paint on?
Say, we're gonna go swim.
You're a warrior. Look at the face paint. You're glistening.
Whoa!
Whoa.
You're a warrior, Hezzy.
At all. Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
Alright, so I told Hezekiah he could take off the red jacket, and he's like, no! He wants to wear the thing. We're not making him wear it, but
Then walk.
it's pretty awesome. You ready for anything, buddy?
Fine.
We can make a left.
This way?
Yeah, we can go in this way. Alright, we're looking for food.
Too late. Like they were switching it out right as we walked in. Oh yeah.
Bye.
Good day.
Bye.
High five?
There's a safari just like going through here.
Mmm.
Is this fun, Hez?
Hez, are you having fun? I want to throw
Nope.
him like we used to do back in the day.
Oh.
Remember how you just go?
He has to learn how to hold his breath underwater before he's gonna enjoy that.
So now you know throwing tantrums is how you get your way. Hey, let's go. Let's go get her. You ready, Hez? Alright, I think I've done my duty, the real David. I definitely swamped my jet ski, but they're draining. What's the point of getting a jet ski if you don't go flying? Now she's going. Come on. Whoa.
It's moving. It's a plane. Oh, watch out.
That should make a good TikTok video, huh, Hez? You having fun?
Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
You're driving it.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Go get mommy? All right, let's go get her. You want to try that again? Make your move. Make your play. That was an accident. I just did that because I actually wanted to capture footage of her going fast. Oh, there she goes! Just float. Here,
Bro,
float,
you
float.
need to stop grabbing my back
Float
like
him,
that.
float him on
That's
his
why I
back.
don't want to hold you.
You have to do a test. You have to test the life jacket. Good job.
Hey, stop kicking. Don't kick or I'm gonna let you go.
Where's Hezekiah? I think I know where Hezekiah is. Wait! I think he's under here. Where is he? We caught a safari. Now this is the cheapest way to get around St. Thomas. What's rule number 1, Hezzy?
I free
I'm 3.
Don't fall off the boat.
from the boat. We are fire. I am the boy.
He's telling her to drop it. He's telling her to sit, stay, and then he throws it. What do you tell her? You say drop, and then you grab it, right? Drop.
Drop,
That's it.
drop,
Sit.
sit.
Sit. Good job. Yeah, go get it.
Watch it.
A leaf.
Good job, Lola.
Say, don't fall off the boat. Good job. Good job.
Lola, come here. Oh, that's how we doing? Nice.
Nice job.
Take your shorts off.
I think I better give it another
Take your
pump.
shorts off. Yeah, we got shower. We got shower. You got sand down there in your
Look
shorts.
at it, it's already piling up.
Yes, we're gonna get the sand out. Ready?
Yeah, you're gonna be naked on the bow boat. Don't worry. We've all been there,
I
Hez.
already took him up here and did it
Oh, shit.
before.
Check out this Hezzy burrito over there. It looks almost good enough to eat.
Are you all better?
I will.
Oh,
Were you told?
I will.
You were told?
My face.
Yeah.
Should we take off his shirt?
Who's Boo Boo and Kiki?
Olivia they stayed the night in Seattle.
Bye, puppy. Bye, puppy.
Oh my god.
So
Both the boats pinched my butt.
after 4 days on a boat, what did you think about boat life, Brianna?
I need a bigger boat.
These are the tales of BOAB.
My puppy.
Say Hezzy on a boat.
Say bye, Lola.
Bye, Lola. Boys, we're so good together.
Say Hezzy on a boat.
Does Hezzy want a boat? Does Hezzy want a boat?
Say don't fall off the boat.
Cool. Right there.